Preserving ecosystems is not just a responsibility, but an investment in our future. It is a commitment to ensuring a legacy of abundance and diversity for generations to come. Imagine a world where lush forests thrive, teeming with a myriad of plant and animal species. Picture crystal clear rivers and lakes, brimming with life, sustaining both nature and humanity. Envision vibrant coral reefs, alive with a kaleidoscope of colors, providing a home for countless marine creatures. This is the future we can create by preserving our precious ecosystems. Every decision we make today has a profound impact on tomorrow. By protecting and nurturing our ecosystems, we are sowing the seeds of a better world. We are investing in a future where our children and grandchildren can witness the wonders of nature in all its glory. Ecosystems are not just beautiful landscapes, they are the very foundation of life on Earth. They provide us with clean air to breathe, fresh water to drink, and fertile soil to grow our food. They regulate our climate, mitigating the effects of global warming. They offer us countless resources, from timber and medicine to natural beauty that inspires our souls. But the value of ecosystems goes beyond their practical benefits. They hold a profound spiritual and emotional significance. They remind us of our connection to the natural world and the responsibility we have to protect it. Preserving ecosystems is an act of love, a testament to our appreciation for the intricate web of life that surrounds us. In the face of rapid urbanization and industrialization, it is easy to lose sight of the importance of preserving ecosystems. But we must remember that our actions today will shape the world of tomorrow. By investing in the preservation of ecosystems, we are investing in a future where nature and humanity can coexist harmoniously.